Hey, this is Nick Dancer with Dancer Concrete Design. A lot of times we get asked about our grouting process, and our grouting process on a floor is a process we use to trowel on a thin layer of cement that goes in the pores and fills it in to make a finished product a lot smoother on a polished concrete floor. So I just want to give you a quick shot of what that looks like. We're in an old industrial building here in Fort Wayne that's going to be converted into a living space. And we had old concrete that was very pitted and worn and cracked. And what we've done is we've done a couple grinding passes on this floor. And you can see the size and the scope of this project. I think we're about 3,000 square feet all the way through. But what we have on the surface right now is a cement grout coat. And that's just filling in pores and pinholes and micro cracks in the surface. So that way when we polish it up, it's a much smoother surface instead of looking like a sponge with all the holes in it. And I'll give you a quick close-up detail of what that looks like. Over here you can see a defined line of where we've grouted and where we haven't grouted. You see a crack cut in two. And especially over here, you'll see that the floor has been ground, but then we have these pop outs and pinholes and rough spots. So if we don't do anything with them, this floor is going to be really polished, and then it's going to have all these low divots and a bad quality polish. They don't do anything with these. They just polish over them and call it what it is. But we know that the customers we work with and the kind of work we want to do, that's not a good finish. So what we're doing is installing this grout coat midway in the polishing process, and then we're going to come across here again, repolish it. It's going to remove the surface layer of that grout, but leave all the other products still in those divots and leave a much nicer finished surface. Again, I'm Nick Dancer with Dancer Concrete Design, and you can find more about our projects at dancerconcrete.com.